Teaching letter sounds A to Z. Letter, phonics, IPA, words, vowel sound examples. Letter A, phonic A, words apple, ant. B, B, bed, bell. C, K, cat, cap. D, D, duck, doll. E, elf, egg. F, fish, fan. G, gum, gate. H, hat, hen. I, igloo, ig. J, jug, jam. K, kit, kite. L, lamp, leaf. M, mop, man. N, nut, net. O, ox, octopus. P, pan, pig. Q, queen, quilt. R, rat, rug. S, sun, sock. T, top, tub. U, umbrella, up. Note, there are few nouns beginning with short a. Q, qua, is a combination of k and w, as in queen. X, is a combination of k and s, as in box. V, van, vine. W, wig, wax. X, box, 6. Y, yo-yo, yet. Z, zebra, zig.